What's up, guys? It's your boy GZC, and I'm back at you with another vlog. So, I've been MIA for the past couple of months, and it's only because I've been in school. I attend the University of South Carolina. Go Cox, you already know. Come on. But I have a chemistry major, pre-dental, 2 minors, and 3 jobs. So you let me know, where can I incorporate a vlog? I mean, people always say you can make time for what you want. It's true, but I just haven't had the time. But that doesn't mean that I didn't think of like ideas and videos for my channel. But they didn't work. If you know what I mean. Let me bring it in. So the reason why I'm making this video is because since May of 2017, I decided I wanted to do something for my community or help others out. And I feel like there have been a lot of mountain movers in my life, and I want to be a pebble mover or something for somebody else. So I created the JC Scholarship, which is worth $750, and I'm going to give it to a graduating Kingstree Senior High School student.
The JC Scholarship.
The JC comes from Jonathan Chestnut, but it's really not. It's just cause. Because I feel like people have always been there for me, and they just been there just cause. So I feel like I can give somebody else something just cause. First, this is only for graduating seniors at my alma mater, Kingstree Senior High School. Second, I need an unofficial transcript, a picture, some stuff about yourself, and what school or what do you want to do after you graduate. And lastly, it's going to be a creative, introspective block on the application as well. So, I mean, everything's going to be in this Google document that I made, and it's going to be in the link below as well. So if you have any questions, feel free to email me. So the link is going to be below in the comments, and it's going to be due at 11:59 on May 1st, 2018. So no excuses, guys. This is how the scholarship page is going to be. So it's pretty easy to navigate. Shouldn't have no problems. I'm going to try my best to keep my YouTube channel updated because I got this thing up my sleeves, you know. But to Kingstree Senior High School students, best of luck. And to everybody, I just appreciate you guys for taking the time to watch my video. Make sure you share this video, comment, subscribe on my channel. Because you already. Oh, and one other thing. You have to have a Gmail in order to submit this application. So make sure if you don't have a Gmail, make yourself a Gmail and you'll be good. I mean, who want to miss out on this $750 though? Come on now.